In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize sheets in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable system that saves time and keeps your team on the same page. We'll walk through creating a workspace, building folders and subfolders, moving your sheets into place, using clear names and colors, setting the right access, and keeping everything tidy over time. Start by opening Smartsheet and heading to the Home tab. This is your control center. You'll see all your sheets, folders, and workspaces here, and this is where you'll manage the structure we're about to set up. Create a new workspace so your content lives in one organized location. Click Create, choose Workspace, and give it a name that matches your team or project. A strong, descriptive workspace name prevents confusion later, especially when you're collaborating with multiple groups or clients. Inside that workspace, create folders to separate your content into logical buckets. Right-click, select Create Folder, and name folders for categories like projects, templates, or archives. Think about how your team searches for information, by project, by client, or by type of work. Your folder name should reflect that. Quick note before we continue. If you need the link to the Smartsheet website or the download for the app, there's a direct link right at the top of the description so you can jump in quickly. Now, move your sheets into the appropriate folders. Drag and drop them where they belong. You can move multiple sheets at once. Keep similar sheets together so your team can find what they need without hunting. If something fits in more than one place, pick the one location your team would most likely look first. Use subfolders to go a level deeper. For example, within projects, you might organize by client, department, or project phase. Subfolders help large workspaces stay clean and easy to navigate without overwhelming your top-level view. Rename and color code items for fast recognition. Use clear, consistent naming conventions, such as client project purpose or project phase date. Apply colors to visually group related items and make high-priority areas stand out at a glance. When it's time to collaborate, share the workspace instead of individual sheets. This centralizes access control, letting you decide who can view or edit everything inside. New items inherit permissions automatically, saving you setup time and preventing accidental oversharing. Finally, maintain your structure. Archive old sheets regularly by moving completed work into an archive folder. Review the setup monthly to keep it relevant, removing clutter and standardizing names as your team grows. A clean folder structure in Smartsheet saves time, reduces confusion, and makes collaboration smoother across teams. Thanks for watching.